Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel Arsta, well known as the Ultimate Gardener. In today's exciting sprouting video, I want to give you guys my top 5 recommendations for brassicas. Brassicas is sort of the entire thing that I usually grow, and so I think it's amazing that I could give you guys my top 5 recommendations because there's a whole bunch of brassicas out there, and so I would like to give you guys the top 5 that are easy to grow, easy to maintain, and you don't have to be on top of them 24/7. So if you want to know all my top 5 recommendations, please stay tuned with us. So Ultimate Gardeners, coming at number 1 is cabbage. Cabbage is one of my favorite vegetables to grow because it is so fascinating to see the actual cabbage head form. I love cabbage. I'm growing so much cabbage in this garden this year, and I'm very thrilled about it. So a few benefits cabbage actually provides for you is that it's a great source of vitamin K and C, and it's a great dietary fiber. And so cabbage is very low maintenance and very easy to grow. It requires a full sun location, not a lot of water. It does require an all-organic plant-based neem oil spray about 1 time every 2 months or whenever you see a disease start coming on it, because cabbage is very vulnerable to multiple diseases out there, so you want to help it prevent it. And then you want to fertilize 1 time every 2 months. So now let's go ahead and move on to option 2. So Ultimate Gardeners, coming at number 2 is cauliflower. Cauliflower is very fascinating to grow as well as the cabbage, because one day you don't see a cauliflower and the next day you wake up to a cauliflower staring right at you. So cauliflower, small benefit it has for you, it is a great source of vitamin C, which is pretty good, at least it helpful in some ways. But cauliflower, believe it or not, is part of the broccoli and cabbage family because it's sort of both of them mixed together if you think about it, which is very fun and interesting to know. So cauliflower is a full sun plant, low minimum water. It doesn't need a spray from what I have known of, but if you do see some type of animal eating on it, I do recommend you spray it as soon as you see it so it wouldn't get worse. And then you want to go ahead and fertilize 1 time every 2 months as well. So now let's go ahead and move on to option 3. So Ultimate Gardeners, coming at number 3 is Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts actually grows in a unique form because, believe it or not, Brussels sprouts actually form in the side of the stem, not on top, on the side of the stem, which I find very fascinating. A few benefits Brussels sprouts actually provide for you. It is a great source of fibers, minerals, and vitamins, and they are also great to decrease inflammation, control your blood sugar, and also lower your risk of cancer. And so Brussels sprouts require a full sun location plant. They also require fertilizing about 1 time every 3 months, no spraying, and they also require low minimum water. So now let's go ahead and move on to option 4. So Ultimate Gardeners, coming at number 4 is kale. Kale is well known everywhere because you can add it in salads and smoothies, and it is a very beneficial plant for you. It's a great source of vitamins A, K, and B6, as well as it also contains sources like copper, magnesium, potassium, and other great things for you. So kale is very easy to grow. It requires full sun, minimum watering, no fertilizer, as well as no spraying at all. Kale is super easy to grow, and it is amazing to eat as well. So now let's go ahead and move on to the final option, 5. So Ultimate Gardeners, coming at number 5 is broccoli. Broccoli is a good beneficial veggie to grow for you. A few benefits it has a lot of nutrients such as fiber, such as vitamin C and K, and also contains iron and potassium, which is great for the human body. So if you could incorporate broccoli in your some sort of diet, it would be amazing. So a few facts about the broccoli: it's a full sun plant, low minimum water. If you see any animal starting to eat on it, I do recommend spraying with neem oil. No other chemicals or pesticides, neem oil, because it's a plant-based substance. And also fertilize 1 time every 3 months. So let's go ahead and wrap up this video for you guys. So ultimate gardeners, that's gonna be it for this exciting sprouting video. Once again, in this video I covered 5 brassicas you should grow in your vegetable garden because they're very beneficial for you and they're easy to grow. So thank you all so much for watching this video, and never forget to grow big, ultimate gardeners. Bye guys.